Students, today we shall discuss about the social conditions of the Shatavahana period. What is our topic today? The society or the social conditions of the Shatavahana period. In previous video, we talk about the economic conditions of the Shatavahana period or economy of the Shatavahana dynasty. Basically, the economy of the Shatavahana dynasty should be dependent on agriculture, industry and trade and commerce. So nowadays also our Indian economy depend on these three sectors or factors. So we shall discuss clearly about the conditions of economy of the Shatavahana period in previous video. Let it. But today I am going to explain about the social conditions of the Shatavahana period in this class. So, I mentioned some key points on the board. So, students, you should be observe carefully and write down it. So, first one, what are the main sources of the society or social conditions during the time of Shatavahana period? I mentioned two main sources here. One is Gada Saptasati. Who wrote Gada Saptasati? The Hala, king of 17th Shatavahana dynasty. So he wrote Gada Saptasati in Prakrit language. In that he mentioned about the social conditions of the contemporary period. And another main source of the society of Shatavahana age is sculptures of Amaravati. Sculptures of Amaravati. And the inscription of the Amaravati, it is the main source of the social conditions of the Shatavahana age. Why? Because on the inscription of or epigraph of the Shatavahana Amaravati, they were mentioned so many daily activities of the people in that society. వాళ్ళ రోజువారీ జీవితంలో చేసేటటువంటి అనేక రకాలైనటువంటి పనులను అందులో పేర్కొన్నారు. సో దట్స్ వై దిస్ వాజ్ ద మెయిన్ సోర్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ద Shatavahana period of society. And second point, the society set up a mixed pattern. During the time of Shatavahana age, the society was set up in mixed pattern. And also historians mentioned social divisions based on economy and hereditary castes. There were so many castes there. Historians says that according to based on economy and their hereditary castes are there. Thus, we can found four divisions society. Can found four divisions are in the society. The first one is officers of central and provincial and district levels. First division was officers of central level, provincial level and district level. For example, Mahasenapatis and Mahabhojas and Maharatikas. This type of ministers can be included in first category. And second category, Amatyas, like Amatyas, Mahapatras and Shreshtis. Shreshtis nothing but merchants. So these were second category. And third category constituted doctors. Doctors was included in third category. And fourth one is professionalists like carpenters, peasants, goldsmith and different type of professions in the society. These were included in fourth category. So these are the four divisions of the society of the period of Shatavahana age. And what is the social condition? Society condition was this: the family was the basic unit of the society. Family was the basic unit of the society. Every time, everywhere, from the ancient period onwards to nowadays, our basic unit is, what is that? The family. Okay? The unit of the society is the family. This was the basic unit. And which type of family system was there? There was the joint family system was normal feature in the society. But nowadays, individual family system. So, but the time of Shatavahana period, the joint family system was in normal feature of the society. And who is the head of the family? Grahapati or Gruhapati, Grahapati. Grahapati was the head of the family. So who is known as Grahapati? Grahapati was the eldest member of the family. ఫ్యామిలీలో ఎవరైతే పెద్ద ఉంటారో, who is the eldest member or person, was acted as Grahapati. And we can find patriarchal system are there. Patriarchal system, దీన్ని మనం పితృస్వామ్య వ్యవస్థ అంటాం తెలుగులో. సో మేల్ పర్సన్ వాజ్ ద హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్యామిలీ. దిస్ వాజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ patriarchal system. Nothing but father was the head of the family. But women occupied a honored place. In the Shatavahana age, the society was dominated by the male persons. That is dominated, male dominated society. But women are more respective give from the society. That's why I can mention here women occupied an honored place in the society. They were received more respect from the society, from either male and female. And also women also participated in administration also. You know, Yajnasri Shatakarni, Yajnasri and Gautami and Devi Naganika, the wife of Shatakarni one, and also Gautami Putra Shatakarni, Gautami, the mother of Gautami Putra Shatakarni, and Yajnasri Shatakarni, the mother of Shatakarni Yajnasri. So this type of women were played a key role in the administration. So that's why we can understand women also participated in administration system during the time of Shatavahana age. And also we can found a separate special feature of the society is intercaste marriages are in prevalent. Intercaste marriages are in prevalent. Kulantara, Matantara, Vivaha. This is prevalent. It's general. So, especially Amaravati and Nasik inscription mentioned about the intercaste marriages system during the time of Shatavahana period. Which inscriptions? Amaravati and Nasik inscriptions are mentioned about the intercaste marriages system of the Shatavahana period. And widows were respected in the society. Widows also much more give respect from the society. Thus indicate the Shatavahana period is free from the many narrow attitudes. యాక్చువల్గా మనకు దీన్ని బట్టి ఏమర్థం అవుతుందంటే ఈ ఏవైతే సనాతన ధర్మాలు ఉన్నాయో డ్యూరింగ్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఈ లేటర్ వేదిక్ పీరియడ్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ there were so many narrow attitudes in the society. That narrow minded activities or narrow minded attitudes are removed from the society of the Shatavahana period. Avanni ikkada tolaginchbaddayi. That's why I mentioned here the Shatavahana society was free from so many narrow attitudes. Okay, listen. Next, women and men, they were worn dress and ornaments. They are women and men, both are worn dress and ornaments. వాళ్ళ డ్రెస్ని వాళ్ళ ఆభరణాలు రెండు కూడా ధరించారు. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇయర్ రింగ్స్, నెక్లెసెస్, bracelets and anklets. Anklet means kadiyal, kalla kadiyal antam kada avi. So this type of ornaments are worn by both male and female during the time of Shatavahana period. And village people life was in simple. Village people life was in simple, but city people life was engaged. So what are the main entertainment activities during the time of Shatavahana age? Here I mentioned music, dance, and dice playing, cockfighting and ram fightings are the entertainment activities of the Shatavahana period or Shatavahana society. What are they? Music, dance, dice playing and cock and ram fightings are the entertainment factors of the Shatavahana period. And also finally I says one statement. What is that? Some here musical instruments also used by the people during the time of Shatavahana period. They were used so many musical instruments. What are they? Here I mentioned veena, venu, mrudangam, patala and shanka. Veena, venu, mrudangam, patala and sankhya or sankhya. These are the main musical instruments used by the people of Shatavahana society. So this is information about the social conditions of the Shatavahana kingdom. Tomorrow we shall discuss about the religion, language, literature and art and architecture of the Shatavahana kingdom.